Alex Hormozi, Gary Vee, they both put out over 250 pieces of content per week. It's 1,000 pieces of original content every single month. Why do they do it? Alex Hormozi told us point blank, 10x the output, made it 10x the growth rate. And I can show you the same thing. If you follow me, you've already seen the story. But there's two painful choices when increasing content output. One, it's the time that you spend creating all of that additional content. Either you have to do that by yourself or by hiring a big expensive team. Alex Hormozi is spending more than $70,000 a month on his team. Gary Vee spends well over seven figures on his team. So it's safe to say that's a really expensive way to scale what you are already doing. So I want to show you a third way to do that. That's with AI-enabled workflows, specifically how I do that with a podcast. For every 7 minutes of content I create, I generate 36 hours of consumption. If you are looking to create a B2B thought leadership brand for yourself, for your company, you're a founder, build in public, this is one of the best ways to do it. Creating one piece of pillar video content and then using AI-enabled workflows to repurpose that content and ultimately create mass distribution for you in as little effort as humanly possible. And without all of those crazy 6 and 7 figure budgets that these guys have that you probably don't. I'm going to show you exactly how I do that as a podcaster. I take the YouTube short, I create that YouTube short through some other AI-enabled workflows. Every time I upload them to YouTube, I write the YouTube description to feel like a social media post, because after I upload it to YouTube, I don't ever want to touch it again. What I do next is I have YouTube feeding all of my social channels, and you can see what the output looks like here. This is my content calendar through the end of December. You can see coming back in through November, October. You can see all the social channels that I'm on: YouTube to LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. I have multiple Pinterest boards. I don't even know what they are, but I'm in all of these places because I'm able to do that with AI-enabled work, specifically repurpose.io. Purpose, click the link below and get started today.